Nostalgia at comfort ang hatid ng Filipino Parole Coloring Book na gawa ng isang Filipino-Canadian artist. Ang kwento sa paglikha nito sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Kilalang simbolo ng Paskong Pilipino ang tradisyonal na parol gawa sa kapis. Ang iba't ibang kulay nagbibigay buhay sa mga tahanan at sa pagdiriwang ng Kapaskuhan. Ngayong holiday season, para mas maramdaman pa ang diwa ng Paskong Pinoy, isang Filipino Parol Coloring Book mula sa Filipino-Canadian artist na si Cynthia Faye.
This is like my first ever time releasing a book and putting one together. So in my book, I have one that's very traditional, and then I elaborate a little bit and add some florals and leaves. And then I did one where I really love to bake, so one of them is a gingerbread themed pearl.
Inspirasyon daw sa coloring book ang kanyang lola na mahilig ding gumuhit. Bonding daw nila ang pagkukulay, isang activity na nakakapagpakalma sa lola niyang may demensya.
The biggest impact has been from people that have bought it for their lolas, like their grandmothers that are also struggling with dementia or stuck at home and can't go out and do too much. It's been really heartwarming to see that it's an activity that other people can do and do together with their loved ones. It's really a privilege because I feel like when I'm able to do something helpful using my very specific creative skills, it's very fulfilling.
Ang inilabas na parol coloring book ni Cynthia Faye maaaring orderin online sa Amazon. Tinatrabaho niya na rin makipag-partner sa local bookstores sa Sarnia, Ontario para mas maging accessible ito sa Filipino community sa lugar. Tulad ng naihahatid nito sa kanyang lola, umaasa raw si Cynthia Faye na maging instrumento rin ang parol coloring book sa mga kababayan sa Canada na mas maramdaman ang koneksyon nila sa Paskong Pilipino.
The holidays are not always so easy, especially when you're missing somebody that isn't there for the first time. It can be really, really hard. So anything that can help you feel a little bit better and grounded to get you through the holidays and through the winter months is good.